What are you doing, Joshua?
He's moving himself.
Are you walking? Are you walking with the stool?
He learned how to walk, Mommy.
It's a self-made walker, I guess. Now what? Here, let's turn it around this way. Can you turn? Can you turn? All right. There you go. Go that way. Here's a wall. Go this way. Whoops. Oh, you're okay. I'm sorry. Caleb, don't stop him. He's trying to walk.
I don't want Joshua to move my stool.
Okay, well, you can have the other stool.
Joshua, go the other way. Joshua, go the other way. Joshua, go the other way.
Caleb, relax.
Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way.
Are you stuck?
I'll move my stool to help Joshua make it go. To help Joshua make it go.
Go, Joshua.
Are you stuck? I'll move the track.
I guess it provides just enough resistance for him, but